Amazon Advertising Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Amazon Advertising are in the description. Amazon Advertising is a powerful pay-per-click (PPC) platform designed specifically for brands and sellers looking to increase visibility and drive sales on Amazon. With millions of shoppers actively searching for products, Amazon ads reach high-intent buyers, making it one of the most conversion-focused ad platforms available. Amazon offers several ad types, including sponsored products, sponsored brands, sponsored display, and Amazon DSP, demand-side platform. Sponsored products are keyword-targeted ads that appear in search results and product detail pages, ideal for boosting individual listings. Sponsored brands allow businesses to showcase their logo, a custom headline, and multiple products at the top of search results, helping to increase brand awareness. Sponsored display targets shoppers both on and off Amazon, using interest-based and remarketing ads. Amazon DSP is a programmatic advertising solution that lets brands advertise across Amazon's vast ecosystem, including Fire TV, Twitch, and third-party websites. The platform operates on a bidding system similar to Google Ads, where advertisers compete for placements based on CPC or CPM models. Amazon's advanced targeting options include keyword targeting, product targeting, competitor targeting, and audience segments based on shopping behavior, interests, and demographics. The platform's automated bidding strategies help optimize ad performance and maximize return on ad spend, ROAS. Amazon Advertising provides robust analytics, including detailed reports on impressions, clicks, conversion rates, and advertising cost of sales, ACoS. Advertisers can use these insights to adjust bids, refine targeting, and improve overall campaign performance. Unlike Google or Facebook ads, Amazon's primary focus is driving sales, making it highly effective for e-commerce businesses. While Amazon Advertising is best suited for brands selling on Amazon, it also offers options for those looking to build awareness off-site. It's an essential tool for any seller wanting to increase product visibility and maximize revenue. If you're serious about selling on Amazon, leveraging its advertising platform is a must. Check the links in the description to start your campaign today.